Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I'm going to give you a brief rundown on how the heated humidifier works, what the settings mean, and how it functions with your machine. The heated humidifier works with the heated hose to ensure that you get enough moisture in your throat while you're breathing throughout the night. This is to ensure that you don't wake up the next morning with a dry throat. You'll notice under the humidifier tank is the heater plate. This heater plate will increase to your desired heater setting to ensure that you're getting the moisture that you need. The numbers from 1 to 5 dictate how hot the plate will go, number 1 being the lowest and number 5 being the hottest. We recommend setting the machine to 2 or 3 for the humidifier, somewhere between 1 and 5 to ensure that it's not too cold and not too hot. Alternatively, you can change the setting to auto. This will help the machine to determine what temperature is best for you and make the adjustments itself. If you're finding that the moisture is too cold on a certain night, you can adjust the setting to a higher number. And if you're finding the setting is too hot on a certain night, you can adjust the humidifier to be a little bit cooler. Also make sure you have sufficient water in your tank for the humidifier to heat up. I hope you found this video insightful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.